Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are talking about kubectl edit. So the kubectl edit command is one, for example, you want to bypass the YAML, like the traditional way you're deploying, and then you want to edit to see what's going on. So you can actually edit multiple things, and you can edit a pod, you can edit all the Kubernetes resources, right? You can edit a pod, or you can edit all Kubernetes resources, for example. And to do that, let's go to the terminal. Let's say I have here kubectl get pod, the get pod. I have this pod here. If I want to edit, let's say for example, I need to edit here to find out what's going on. If I do the log, let's say if I do kubectl logs, for example, it will go ahead and show me that this is failing because of this path here, right? Now I can edit this pod, or I can edit, for example, the deployment I created. If I say kubectl get deploy, right? I can get deploy. I can actually see that deployment here being failing. I can edit this deployment to fix the issue. So I will say kubectl edit deploy. I will pass the deployment name. It will take me into the YAML file. This is the YAML file that was used to deploy, for example, those ports. So I can edit into that. I will scroll down until I see the portion where I want to edit. Then I will go ahead and edit that, for example. That's going to be on the volume section. Like for example, here, the mount path is actually the one having problem. So I can edit this. I will just do data, then I will save and quit. And Kubernetes will recreate those ports. So kubectl get port. Kubernetes will actually, you see, I have edited, and Kubernetes launch a new port, for example. And when that port run, Kubernetes might shut down this one. So let's say kubectl get port again. As you can see, that port is still creating, right? I edit the deployment, right? So still creating. Let's give him some time. We can watch when as it's doing this. The port is here still creating. So we have edit the deployment, and you can edit everything. You can edit all Kubernetes API resources can be edited. You can edit the deployment, the secret, the config map. You can edit everything, right? So you just use kubectl edit. If you want to change, for example, the image, use kubectl edit to change the image, so you can edit whatever you want in Kubernetes. So we're not going to wait here for this to get ready, for example, but the concept was the kubectl edit command. As you can see, when you type kubectl edit, Kubernetes, it will open the YAML file that was used to edit, for example, to edit that, and then you will just have to go ahead and edit. For example, if I want to edit this port, for example, I can say kubectl edit, I pass the resource name, then I give everything. So now this is the port. Then I can edit multiple things here. I can edit, for example, the image that was used for this port. I can edit the tag, for example. Like let's say, for example, here it's running an nginx with the tag 117. I can change this tag to latest, for example, right? I can change this tag to latest, for example. So that I have edited. So if I say kubectl get port, you will see that we have I edit that. That was which port? One of these. We started 2 seconds ago. There was a restart. See, 2 seconds ago there was a restart. There was a restart on that. So that's what I call edit, and you can edit all type of resources, right? Everything in Kubernetes. I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next one.